This is video tutorial about how to replace headlight bulb of Vespa LX 125. Tools required: 17mm wrench and screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver and slotted screwdriver. My Vespa have windshield, so the first thing to do is removing this windshield by unfasten the screw on both of its armature and then pull the armatures out. Next, removing the mirrors by unfastening the screw and then turn the armatures of the mirrors anti-clockwise. Next, removing the front grille. We have to remove the emblem. Pull out the emblem using slotted screwdriver. We can then remove the screw which is located behind the emblem. We can now remove the grille by zip it up a bit and then pull it out. Next, removing front handlebar cover where the headlight bar sits on. First, unfasten and remove 3 screws on it. 1 screw on the front and 2 others are located on the back. On both sides of the cover, there is a tape inserted into a hole located on the upper inside of the cover. To remove cover, we have to release this tape by pulling out cover sideward. Do that on one side first and then the other. It's much easier for me to remove the cover because the tapes of my Vespa have been broken. We have to release 2 cable connectors. Small connector which connect cable to the small bulb have a locking tape. To release, push this locking tape while pulling the connector. The bigger connector have no locking tape, so just pull the connector to release. To take out the headlight bulb, first remove the black rubber cover. Next thing to do is removing the white plastic washer by turning it anti-clockwise. Then we can take out the headlight bulb. Put new bulb on its place, and then white plastic washer Turn this washer clockwise until it locks, and then black rubber cover on top of it. This is the original bulb which is replaced by the new one. This original one have two tape that will be inserted to two holes so that it can sit firmly on its place. The new one that was installed is not an original bulb. The gap between two tapes on the bulb is too close so that it cannot sit properly on its place. I flattened one of its tapes so that it can be installed properly. Connect the two cable connectors. For the smaller cable connector, push until it sounds click. After cable have been connected, we can then test the light. Let's test the headlight. It works well, both long distance light and short distance light. Next, reinstall handlebar cover. Don't forget there is a tape in each side. Insert the tape of one side to each hole first and then the other side. It's easier for me to do this because both types of my Vespa have been broken. Next, insert and fasten cover screw. 3 screws, one on the front and the two others are on the back. Next, reinstall the grill. There are 4 tabs on the backs of the grill. Insert the tabs on each hole and then slide the grill downward. Insert and fasten the screw. Next, attach the emblem. There are two tabs on the back of the emblem. Insert these tabs on each place and then push the emblem down. Next, install the mirrors. Place armature's mirror on its holes properly and then turn it clockwise until it stops. Then turn back anti-clockwise to a proper position and then fasten the lock nut. Next, install the windshield. Insert its armature on each hole and then fasten the screw. Adjusting the slope of light direction can be done by turning the screw which is located below the headlight. I hope this tutorial can help you in replacing the headlight bulb of Vespa LX 125. Thanks you for watching.